If you are really struggling right now, struggling to lose weight, struggling to get healthy, struggling to love yourself, let me tell you this. If you want a breakthrough, you must first have a breakdown. You cannot skip the breakdown part. As much as you want, we need to crumble, we need to hit rock bottom, we need to be holding on by a thread. Because that is when the universe tests us. That is when we build character and strength and grit. That is when we get ready for the blessings that are about to come to us. Do not give up too early. You're going to miss what you've been working for. Hang in there. There is a gift. There is light on the other side of this dark phase, but you have to last through it in order to reap the rewards and reap the benefit. There's nothing in this life worth having unless you actually work for it and earn it. I promise you that. If things are handed to us, we don't appreciate them, we don't treat them well, they don't last. So this dark time will end. It is testing you. Who you are becoming right now is going to be amazing. You're in a cocoon, you're in this caterpillar phase. You're about to go into your butterfly phase. Don't give up now or you'll miss the butterfly phase. You can do it. Big breath in, big breath out. Keep going.